Alright, I'm back with Sub Duels. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to join the edopro tournament, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Dude! Oh yeah, I forgot to say that. Ah, damn it. Alright, I'll go first.
Okay.
Normal summon Pathfinder. Pathfinder. Planet Pathfinder.
Let's see here. Okay.
I will activate its effect. I'll attribute it to add one field spell card from my deck to my hand, which is Numeron Network.
Okay. Okay.
I'll activate Numeron. I don't even know how to say that. Numeron, right? Numeron.
Numeron network.
Activate effect. I'll copy this one here. Numeron calling. Keep saying Numeron.
1, 2, 3. Numeron. Anything.
1, 2, 3. I think I'll just do. I'll do 3.
Yeah. Feels like the first one will be like Spanish anyway.
XG Shogun. Number S0 Utopic Zexel. Utopic. And Fernando. What the Edge Imp Scythe?
Yeah.
Fusion summon. Oh, it's frightful. Oh, okay. Sabertooth or something? No, frightful whale. Strap the 2 cards on the field. Are you joking me? One on each field.
Yeah.
And you use Scythe to protect it. Okay, that was good. That was good. Fernando. Alright. Edge Imp Chain with Frightful Repair.
Yeah.
Scythe. It's a normal summon.
Yes. Let's see. Hmm. Hmm.
Tiger. You're gonna do your Fluffal Dolphin.
Yeah.
Since it's gonna be destroyed by Tiger, I'll activate Call by the Grave.
Okay.
Yeah, I was dueling somebody and they said some of the Fluffal cards don't work. Like they don't work properly. That's why.
Seems to be like what?
Did you notice
It seems to
anything
be
that
what?
wasn't working with the Fluffal
No,
cards?
no, just like the first time I like played with them, and they work okay.
Okay, that's game right there. Wolf can attack twice.
Yeah.
All right, round two. I just scooped that one.
Yeah.
Wizard game. Okay.
Let's see. Move on.
I'm not
Uh,
gonna say anything.
energy. Okay. Hmm. You're saying this is okay. Like, yeah, this is okay. There was some card I need to remove. Though. It should be removed. Hmm. Okay.
I'll go first.
Okay.
Hmm. Terraforming. Add one fuel spell.
Yeah. Forehead.
Oh, forehead.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Trade-in. Thunderbird.
ايه ما اعرفش تشوفوا معاك خد الورقه وكله خلاص يلا خد الورقه كله كده ايه خد
I should have traded in first. God
ايوه
dang it. You're gonna OTK me. You're gonna OTK me. Oh man. Who said that? Bigfoot. Come on. Oh, okay. Put him in attack. Turnino.
Oh.
I should have traded in first because I drew Called by the Grave. But then you would have asked me with that, no? What is this?
Oh.
Fluffal Bear.
Right. So clan toy vendor.
Okay. Frightful Patchwork. You got Chain and Polly. Toy Vendor. That's a new card?
Oh yeah.
What's happening?
Like they use the AGM service effect. Like this one card and 100 over this card. This is some the AGM segment.
I think I'm gonna move. I'm gonna move my. It's too hot in this room. Jesus. Whoa. What was that? What? Oh, okay.
You like have pull with a grip, like you can stop me, I think. Huh.
My Nibiru wants to go off.
Do you like a color where you can have like use this like to finish one of the graveyard, so I cannot use my skill anymore. Trying to solve it's okay, let's see here.
Oh, it's a lot cooler in here. Jeez. Yeah, you were gonna destroy it anyways.
Yeah. Let's see here.
That's game already. Credit plan for the anaconda. Good. What is that? The wolf?
I don't think actually like you anaconda can use any effect. But let's see here. Hmm.
Your time's running out. You could OTK right now.
Oh, right. Yes.
Oh the heck? Oh.
Oh, like, just like it's very like a time to get like a simple anaconda.
Yeah, you had
Like,
time for anaconda. You didn't do it.
yeah, like it's still okay. Let's see here.
I might have a chance now. I'll have
Oh,
500 life points.
sort of like if you someone send another like time before two, sending like the time.
Your
But
mic
it's
is
still,
really,
yeah, they know.
it's really muffled.
Oh, it's
Wow, I can't even use this. Good game. Good game. I'll let you finish.
oh, oh.
Finish it. You got mirror force. Oh man. Well, thank you, Lord M2A, for the duel.
Thanks.
And sub if you liked it. Like if you subbed it. See you guys.